meteorologist Grant Skinner with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Well, we are weather aware today through early tomorrow morning for the possibility for strong to severe storms. We're quiet for the time being. Some showers and a few storms clipping our northern spots, but that threat will increase later this morning and continue into early tomorrow. So stay weather aware. Just make sure to have multiple ways to receive weather warnings, including the WKRG weather app. And make sure to check for updates on WKRG.com. We have an article just for this event and the severe weather later this week, so you can check for all the latest details there. Here's a look at our current situation. So I know there's a lot on here. There's snowfall to the north and west. There's a lot of showers across the southeast as well, and storms mixed in. There's a lot of warm and humid air moving into the Gulf Coast as this warm front lifts north. So as that lifts north, temperatures are pushing into the 70s for a lot of spots. A lot of humid air as well. That's going to be fuel for these showers and storms to develop throughout the course of the rest of the day today and into tomorrow morning. Here's a look at radar right now. Most places are quiet south of I-10 and really as far north as portions of northern Baldwin County and Escambia County. But our northern spots are seeing some showers and a few storms. Let's take a zoom in look. Areas in the Mississippi seeing more widespread showers, some heavier downpours closer to Waynesboro and Laurel, Mississippi. But you move to the east, closer to areas like northern Washington County, and there are some heavier downpours up towards Coffeyville. Grove Hill, Thomasville seeing some heavier downpours as well, along 43 and up to areas just north of the viewing area, but just scattered showers for the time being and a few storms mixed in. I've been watching our storm relative velocity. This is where we watch for that rotation. Not seeing any of that yet, but we do have a possibility for some brief spin up tornadoes throughout the day today. So that's a product I'm going to be looking at closely and letting you know details about throughout the course of the day today. Current temperatures, very warm now. A lot of spots in the 70s as that warm front lifts north. Areas that haven't seen the warm front lift quite yet: Jackson, Grove Hill, Chatham, Leakesville still in the 60s, while most everyone else is in the 70s already as that fuel begins to move into the Gulf Coast. A high chance, 80% chance, you need the Green & Phillips umbrella today. South winds continue. Strong south winds at times, getting breezy throughout the day. 3, 4, 5 o'clock, starting to see some of these stronger isolated storms develop across many areas west of I-65, continuing throughout the course of this evening. 8, 9 o'clock, closer to 10, 11. The main line of storm starts to move in and moves to the south and east. This is 1:30 a.m. right along I-65 and still moving southeast through now Pensacola at 4:30 in the morning, and then moving southeast of the viewing area closer to 6, 7 a.m. This threat has increased. A level 3 of 5 risk for most areas west of I-65 and north of I-10. Damaging wind gusts, a few tornadoes, and some small hail are possible with these storms. Watching for that significant tornado threat as well. This is actually for Thursday, but those areas north and west of I-65 are under a significant tornado threat, so EF2 plus tornadoes are possible in those spots. As the line moves south and east, a few strong storms are possible in northwest Florida as well. So weather aware for late tonight into tomorrow and also part of the afternoon as well with those strong storms. More strong storms possible after a cooler Valentine's Day. Rain chances drop off a bit. Then those storms pick up late Saturday into early Sunday.